Hello? Yeah? Okay, I'll be down there in a second. Hey y'all, how's it going? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fold what you've all been waiting for, my origami phone. And yep, and this is the phone that I demoed in that demo I did recently. And yep, so here it is. So I kind of refined it a little bit. Yep, see? And it looks really nice. And it's got a nice screen here. And I want to show you some really cool tricks it does. Check this out. Watch this, it even works. There's an invisible button. It's right here. And watch when I push it. Here, I'm gonna just rotate it landscape like this so it works a little bit better. Number two, it also flies in a funny way. It doesn't really fly that good because it's thick and it's not very heavy. And what's also cool about it is that if you shine light from behind, the screen lights up just like that. And the last trick it does is that it can be a little box, see? And you can use it to put models inside, memory cards, and just about anything. Yep. And next week, I'm gonna teach you how to make this origami flip phone I just designed. And this is a little bit easier to fold than this model, maybe. Yep, and what's really cool about it is that it actually locks closed. Just like that. So for that tutorial, click right here when I teach it. See, it opens up just like that. Okay, so that'll be next week's tutorial. But this week, I'm gonna show you how to make the original origami phone. Alright, so what'd you guys think of that? Was that cool or what? Alright, so now, let's go ahead and start folding it. So, this origami phone I folded from a 6-inch square of decorative origami paper that came in this package right here, see? I don't really remember where I got this, but it's been with me for a long time. I got this like when I was like really young, when I was a little kid. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fold it from an ordinary 6-inch square of kami. So I'll get a phone that looks like this. So, here goes. Okay, so let's begin white side up. And we're going to fold in half, but we're just going to make a crease mark on both sides. So one here, and one here, like that. If you fold all the way across, you might end up with an extra crease on the phone. Okay, and now we're going to fold this edge up. How much? Well, we're going to fold it up so that this distance is equal to this. So just fold it up halfway towards the midpoint. About like this. It doesn't need to be perfect, just do your best. And make sure it's like that on this side too. Okay? And repeat on this side. Same thing, just fold it up halfway towards the midpoint. And just eyeball it. And crease sharply. Okay. And now we're going to fold this edge up to this raw edge, and make sure you hold the layers down so it doesn't slide like that. But you don't really need to fold all the way across, you just need to make a crease. You can just make a light fold, just about that much. Well, actually, you can make it sharp if you want. It's not gonna hurt anything. Okay, like that. And repeat on this side. So yeah, don't fold all the way across, you can just make a fold about like an inch or so. Okay, and now we're gonna make a paper airplane fold, so we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna fold it to this crease we just made. Alright, and yeah, you can fold all the way across. Unfold, and do that on the bottom. So fold this edge to this crease. And crease sharply. Okay, like that. And now we're going to repeat that on this side. So here we go. So let's make our crease marks. So fold to the raw edge. And you just make the crease mark about an inch. And repeat on this side. Like that. Okay. And now make our paper airplane fold. So fold to that crease mark. Okie dokie. Alright, unfold that. And now we're going to fold this raw edge up in between this point, so where this diagonal crease hits this edge, so that point, and this point, right there. Make sure you really don't feel a lot of white right there. Just do your best. It'll probably slide a little bit, but it's fine. Okay, increase that sharp, and repeat on this side. So fold in between these two points, and try and keep the layers together, so you don't feel a lot of white right there. Okay, like that. Alright, and now we're going to take this edge and fold it to this raw edge. Okay, increase sharply, and unfold that, and repeat on this side. Okay, and now we're going to do the same thing on these two sides. So we're going to take this edge and fold it to this raw edge. And hold the layers down so they don't slide. Okay. And unfold. And repeat right here. Okay, like this. Alright, now we're going to turn over and we're going to reverse all these creases. So let's start out by loosening the creases up with our fingernails like this. Just kind of just run your fingernails over them like that. It just makes it easier to reverse them. Okay, and now let's fold on those existing creases. Alright, unfold and do that all the way around. Alright, just like that. Did I do this one? Yeah, I did. Okay. Alright, now we're going to form the thickness of the phone. So, and actually, if you just want like a simple two-dimensional phone, you can fold, I'm actually now discovering this, you can just fold these edges in like this. And voila, there it is. Actually, I just discovered this just now. There is your phone, and it's 2D, and yeah. And I actually made a similar model in this tutorial. I think that's like an iPad or something that I made. I made a tutorial. So yeah, this model I taught here, that's actually kind of similar to this. Okay, like this. Alright, now let's unfold and now we're gonna three-dimensionalize it. So to three-dimensionalize it, we're gonna, this is kind of tricky, but hopefully you can do this. So well, it's not that hard. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make kind of a box here. So make this crease amount fold and this small crease amount fold, and make sure these two creases are mounted too. So we're gonna pinch right here, and we're gonna bring these two creases together like this. All right, and make sure it comes to a point right there. So just get it started right there, and repeat on the side. So pinch those creases amount fold. Bring those two creases together like this, and let's just kind of fold that flap over like that. Okay. And now, this is actually kind of the fun move. Fun and kind of tricky. What we're going to do is we're going to fold this edge inside. So we're folding it right over this edge. Or just fold it inside however much it is. And this is actually kind of satisfying to do. I like this step. Okay, like this. Alright, that's what it looks like. And now repeat that on this side. So here we go. And I'm not going to fast forward, I'm just going to show you at real time. So make those creases and mountain folds. I'm gonna go a little bit faster though. Like this. And same on this side. Okay, and now fold the edge in over the edges. Like this. Okie dokie, and there it is. Now just kind of just shape it to taste. Okay, like that. And once you did that, there is your origami iPhone completed. And yeah, it's a pretty cool model. It's not really too hard to make. And yeah, and I love how on this side it can be a little box. You can just kind of maybe put your memory cards inside of it. Anything two-dimensional like this. Yeah, maybe you can put some candy in there too, if it's two-dimensional or something, like chocolate. And yeah, or you can treat it like that iPad that I taught that time. And yeah, and it's a nice phone, and yeah, you can pretend like you're calling somebody. Yep. Or you can do that camera trick that I did. If you're a YouTuber, you can do that camera trick. I'm gonna draw a power button on it, so I'm gonna do it right here. There you go. There's the power button, and that's what I did with the thumbnail of this video too. Okay, and what's cool about it is that I'm gonna rotate it landscape, and watch when I push the power button. This phone even works. Isn't that cool? And yeah. So, there you have it. Alright, well I hope you guys were able to fold this phone and find it interesting and useful. And yeah, I think it's a pretty cool model. And have fun with your new origami phone. Alright, see you guys later. Alright, so there you have it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and were able to make this origami phone. And yeah, I think it's a really sweet model. And yep, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later. And like I said in the intro, next week, I'll show you how to make this origami flip phone. See? And it closes and stays. And you can open it up. Oh, I think someone's calling me. Yeah? Okay, I'll be there in a second.